Let's move on to Introduction to Integrated Development Environments, IDEs. Integrated Development Environments, IDEs, are powerful tools that provide comprehensive facilities to programmers for software development. An IDE typically includes a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. For Java programming, popular IDEs include Eclipse, NetBeans, and IntelliJ IDEA. This lesson will guide you through the process of installing and using one of these IDEs to write and run your Java programs. Don't worry if this feels new at first. Now we're on choosing an IDE. Before we dive into installation, let's briefly discuss the three IDEs. First, Eclipse, a widely used, open-source IDE that supports multiple programming languages and is highly customizable through plugins. Next, NetBeans, an easy-to-use IDE that focuses on Java development, providing excellent tools for web, enterprise, and mobile applications. Also, IntelliJ IDEA, a powerful IDE known for its intelligent code assistance, built-in tools for web development, and support for various frameworks. For this lesson, we will use Eclipse as our primary example, but the steps will be similar for NetBeans and IntelliJ IDEA. Installing Eclipse IDE, let's dig in. To install Eclipse, follow these steps. Let's walk through the main points. First, download Eclipse. Visit the Eclipse Downloads page and choose the Eclipse IDE for Java Developers package. Next, run the installer. After downloading, run the installer. You may need to extract the downloaded file first. Then, select Installation Folder. Choose a directory where Eclipse will be installed. The default is usually fine. The full list is on the slide if you want to review it. Let's move on to creating your first Java project. Now that you have Eclipse installed, let's create your first Java project. There are several points on this slide. First, open Eclipse. Start Eclipse and ensure you're in the Java perspective. Next, create a new project. Go to File, New Java Project. Then, name your project. In the Project Wizard, enter a name for your project, for example, Hello World. Check the slide for the remaining items. This section covers writing your first Java program. With your project created, let's write a simple Java program. First, create a new class. Right-click on the SRC folder in your project, then select New Class. Next, name your class. Enter the name Hello World, and check the box to include the method. Finally, write your code. In the class file that opens, enter the following code. This slide introduces a class definition. Study the structure in the code sample. This program defines a class named Hello World and includes the main method, which is the entry point for any Java application. The method prints the string Hello World to the console. Next, running your program. To run your Java program in Eclipse, first, run the program. Right-click on your class file in the Project Explorer and select Run as Java Application. Next, view output. Check the console at the bottom of the Eclipse window. You should see the output. See the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. In this lesson, you learned about integrated development environments, IDEs, and followed detailed steps to install Eclipse. You created your first Java project and wrote a simple program to print Hello World to the console. Using an IDE can significantly enhance your productivity by providing tools and features that streamline development. Go ahead and work through this exercise. To reinforce your understanding, try the following exercises. Let's walk through the main points. First, install and explore at least one other IDE, NetBeans, or IntelliJ IDEA. Next, create a new Java project in the IDE of your choice. Also, modify the Hello World program to print your name instead of Hello World. The full list is on the slide if you want to review it.